Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a simple mod podging on canvas. I have some round canvases I've been wanting to use and this long skinny one that I've been hanging on to for a while. And I wanted to do something fun for Christmas. So I got out my Mod Podge glue, which I was getting down to the last little bit of. And I just Mod Podged some fun images of Elf onto these canvases and I had a good time doing it. I often have them sitting on my piano or on my end tables where people can sit and look at them when they come in and have a good little giggle. They're a lot of fun to do, they're easy to do, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video today. And I hope you're having a good holiday season so far. I know I am. And that's the final product right there. What do you think?
Congratulations! You were very good at decorating.
Well, that's it for today. Thanks for coming by.
I love you, I love you, I love you!